Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I shared an airdrop with you around 2 weeks ago called Parasail. The good news is their token distribution is complete and you can now claim your tokens. As you can see, they officially announced on their X account that the season has ended and shared the information. As you can see, the season is officially over and they have shared the leaderboard for the top 4,000 users who will get the tokens. So if you are in the top 4,000, then you can receive tokens. As you can see, my position is in the top 4,000, which is at the bottom, and here are my total points for this season. Now to check your allocation, click here on the claim rewards icon. As you can see, I have got 20 tokens that I can claim. So click claim and then confirm, and it's done. But remember, you need to claim before May 15. Here, as you can see, they have shared the details and rewards pool information based on ranking. The first prize is 500 USDT plus 3000 sale points. Then it goes lower depending on your position. So now the question is when you will receive the tokens. I will give you updates, so make sure to join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. And if you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.